What happens to your poop in an airplane toilet will leave you surprised. Even, I was shocked. Going via a plane for the very first time? Don't know how to use its toilet? Or pondering where does all the poop go? This is a question that baffled us for quite a while when we were kids. And not that we got a satisfying answer, but we just killed the curiosity over this question. But the question still remains the same: where does all the poop go? Well, we are here with the answer to quench that childhood curiosity of yours. And for your information, it isn't simply dumped into the air to fly around and let gravity do the dirty work. Then, what exactly goes around in a washroom that's 10,000 feet off the ground? Watch the video and get to know the exact answer to it. Do you have a fear of using a toilet in an aeroplane? Do you hold it through the entire flight in worrying wherever it may drop? Well, that's unhealthy, dude. You must be imagining where those tons of poop are docked over. Then, here is the perfect answer to your question. Your poop comes from your belly and goes to the plane's belly. Isn't it interesting? I know it sounds ridiculous, but it is not entirely a joke. Confused? Okay, I won't waste any further of your time and directly drop it on you. Pun intended. Every plane has a number of tanks on board to collect your waste. When you flush down your poop, it goes into a suction tank or holding tank until it doesn't cross its limit. You heard it right. The holding tanks have a certain limit. It's important to shut the tanks once they are filled. Otherwise, if you cross that limitation, well, then you may drop your poop into someone's house, car, or probably on someone's face. Haha, just kidding. But yes, in the past, we did hear of those instances too. Want to know the exact quantity of a storage tank? 20 gallons of waste a single storage tank can hold, and more than hundreds of gallons overall. This also results in reducing the number of passengers from every flight. And once your plane lands down, the lavatory service truck is pulled out and hooked up with a receptacle on the bottom. This is how yours and other passengers' smelly poop comes out. It smells as tacky as it looks. Friends, this was all about the poop that's traveling with us in the plane. If you have found the perfect answer for your hilarious question, then do share it with others. Let them too clarify the doubt that haunted their childhood minds.
Let it go.